Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making easy pumpkin muffins. To begin, we're sifting 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. Then go ahead and sift that into the mixing bowl. Then whisk to incorporate. And once evenly incorporated, set it aside. Now in another mixing bowl, add in a 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, followed by 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of whole milk, and last but not least, 2 room temperature large eggs. Now whisk until you get a smooth consistency. Now pour the wet ingredients over the dry ingredients and mix just until combined. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Do not overmix this batter as we don't want tough and hard dry muffins, do we? Once evenly incorporated, we are ready to transfer into the muffin tin. Line a 12 muffin tin just like so. Using an ice cream scooper, transfer the batter into the lined muffin tin, filling it up about 3/4 of the way up. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. And while we wait, let's make some icing. In a small mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, followed by 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Then mix until smooth. Add more milk if needed. And if everything goes according to plan, your pumpkin muffins would look like this. Set them on a wire rack and let them cool off for a few minutes. Once they have been cooled off, you may cover them with icing, just like so. And if you like nuts, you may top them off with your favorite nuts. Yo, check them out. I think now you are ready to eat. Just remember that the nuts and the icing are optional. You don't have to do either one of those things. At the end of the day, they are your muffins, make them your way. As they say, your way or the highway, right? There you guys have it, easy pumpkin muffins. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!